This is the Woodford 37HF Chrome backflow preventer for the model 76, 79, 86, and S3 Woodford faucets. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the bag here. If you look at it here, you can see it should come with this O-ring right here at the bottom of the threads. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of the backflow preventer, starting with a total length. You can see it measures right at about 2.5 inches. And then we'll get an outer diameter here at this side with the rubber O-ring. And it measures right at about 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll get an outer and an inner diameter here. So it's got an outer diameter of right at about an inch and an inner diameter right above 1/2 inch. So once again, this is the Woodford 37HF Chrome backflow preventer.